In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a donation link in your PayPal account. We'll go through this process step by step, ensuring you can quickly and easily set up a way for others to support your cause or business. To get started, you'll want to first visit the PayPal website. Open your web browser and navigate to PayPal's homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your PayPal account, so go ahead and click on the login button. Enter your registered email address and password. It's always a good idea to make sure your login credentials are correct to avoid any unnecessary delays. After entering your credentials, hit the login button to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your account's main dashboard. From here, locate and click on the Pay and Get Paid tab. This is where PayPal houses its payment features and options, so it's your main hub for creating your donation link. Underneath the Accept Payments section, you'll see an option for Create Payment Links and Button. This is the area where you'll start building your donation button, so click on it to get started. Next, select the Payment Buttons option. This tool will help you configure and customize your button. You'll need to provide a name and description for the donation link you are about to create. This is important as it helps donors understand what their generosity will be supporting. Additionally, if you have a specific graphic in mind, you can customize the button with it, or upload your own image to make your donation button visually appealing. When setting up the payment options, make sure to set the price to customer set price. This allows your donors to decide how much they wish to contribute, giving them flexibility. Then choose single button and select custom. Here you'll label your button. Typing in a straightforward label such as donate makes it clear to users what action they are taking. Once you're satisfied with the setup and customization, click on Build It. PayPal will then generate the HTML code you need to embed a donation button on your website or blog. Now copy the HTML code provided. It's this code that will translate to a functioning donation button when embedded onto your online platform. Finally, paste this HTML code onto your website or blog where you want the donation button to appear. By doing this, you're enabling a seamless way for supporters to contribute directly through PayPal. And there you have it, you've successfully created a donation link in PayPal. This tool can be crucial in gathering support and funding for your needs, offering your community a simple and reliable way to show their support.